Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can avoid being added to WhatsApp groups without your permission on iPhone. So first, let's go back to your home screen and then tap on the WhatsApp app. Next, in here, you want to tap on the settings button at the bottom. And in here, you want to tap on account. At the top, tap on privacy. Then go down and tap on groups. And you can see by default it is set to everyone, so everyone can add you to the group and they can start sending you messages. So instead, you want to choose my contacts or my contacts accept. So if you choose my contacts accept, you have to choose which contacts you want to add to the exception. And that's it, that's all you have to do, and this will prevent from other people adding you to the group chat. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.